Are you looking for best air hammer? Air hammers are indispensable tools for automotive repair, metalworking, and demolition tasks. They offer versatility, speed, and precision for cutting, shaping, and removing stubborn materials. With a wide range of models available, selecting the right air hammer can be challenging for consumers. To a product known, Ingersoll Rand 114 GQC Air Hammer 3PC Chisel Set with Tapered Punch. The Ingersoll Rand 114 GQC Air Hammer is a compact, lightweight tool designed for medium-duty applications. Featuring a 2 5/8-inch stroke and 3,500 BPM, this air hammer is equipped with a quick-change retainer for seamless chisel swaps. The included 3-piece chisel set, tapered punch, panel cutter, flat chisel makes it versatile for tasks like auto body repairs, metal cutting, and surface scraping. Its ergonomic design with a contoured grip reduces vibration and enhances comfort, making it user-friendly for extended use. In performance tests, the 114 GQC Product 2, Ingersoll Rand 119 MAXK Vibration-Reduced Long Barrel Air Hammer 5-Piece Chisel Set. The Ingersoll Rand 119 MAXK is a long-barrel air hammer designed for enhanced power and reduced vibration. With a 3.5-inch stroke and 2,530 BPM, this tool delivers 15% more impact force than standard models. It comes with a 5-piece chisel set and features a quick-change retainer for efficient tool swaps. Its heavy-duty construction ensures reliability in harsh environments, while the anti-slip grip and swivel air inlet improve user comfort and hose management. During testing, the 119 MAXK excelled in demanding applications like via product Dynamic Power Short Barrel Air Hammer Kit with 4 chisels. The DP Dynamic Power Short Barrel Air Hammer Kit is the most affordable option in this lineup, priced at just $31.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, it offers a heat-treated piston and alloyed steel barrel for durability. The included 4-chisel set adds versatility, allowing users to tackle various tasks such as cutting, shaping, and light demolition. Its compact design ensures greater control and maneuverability, making it suitable for tight spaces. While the D319115 SA performed adequately in light-duty tasks, it struggled with heavy-duty applications, where higher-end models outshine it. Product more, Ingersoll Rand 135 MAXK Vibration Reduced Quick. The Ingersoll Rand 135 MAXK is a premium air hammer offering advanced features like a featherable trigger for precise control and a quick-change retainer for fast chisel swaps. With a 3-inch stroke and 2,600 BPM, this tool balances power and efficiency. The included 5-piece chisel set enhances versatility, while the anti-slip grip and shock reduction system ensure maximum comfort during use. In testing, the 135 MAXK demonstrated exceptional performance across various applications, from delicate tasks requiring precision to heavy-duty demolition. Its ergonomic design and vibration control. Product 5, Astro Tools 401 0.401 inch Thor Super Duty Long Barrel Air Hammer Riveter. The Astro Tools 401K Thor Super Duty Air Hammer is a high-powered tool designed for heavy-duty automotive and industrial applications. Its long barrel design, advanced ported valve body, and tilt valve trigger provide unmatched power and precision. The internal brake vibration damping system reduces fatigue, while the rotatable forward grip enhances control. This bare tool does not include chisels, allowing users to customize their setup. In performance tests, the Thor model delivered industry-leading power, making it suitable for the toughest tasks.